In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create multiple workspaces in ClickUp. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking this video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so I'm here in my ClickUp account and this is my current workspace. However, I'd like to go ahead and create another workspace such that I have two of them. To do that, it is quite simple. Just head over to your account here and then click on settings. From settings here, head down here to your current profile name and you'll see my settings below it. Now below it is workspaces. To create another workspace, go ahead and click on workspaces and this will go ahead and list all the current or available workspaces you have on your account. Currently you can see I have one and I'd like to add another one. To add another one, just go ahead and click on add and then choose the reason for this workspace, whether it's for work, personal or school. Go ahead and choose it and also choose maybe softwares that you would like to integrate and then next, and choose also tools. If you like them, you can go ahead and just choose to as many as you want, and you realize this process is just the same as the process you followed when you were creating your first workspace. So I'll go ahead also and click on features that I'm interested in, or if you want all, you can just click on all and it will select all of them. I also want AI and then click next. Now go ahead and give your new workspace a name. So I'd like to give it a name. Maybe this will be home workspace and then finish. So this will go ahead and now create a new workspace. And you can see I'm now on a new workspace here. So if I want to switch between workspaces, I can just go down here and then I'll see all the workspaces I have. Currently, this is the workspace I'm on, and you can see I have another workspace here and I can switch between these workspaces. So that's how you can create multiple workspaces on your account in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.